Welcome back, guys. It's craft time. In today's video, I'm going to be flipping this super cute smaller wooden rocking horse that I found a couple months back. And I'm also going to be using the Podge Iridescent Sealant. So I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but I felt like this would be a great seal on this rocking horse. Might seem weird right now, but I'm gonna kind of be going for a galaxy theme. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I found this cute little guy at my local thrift store for a couple dollars, and I really wanted to give him some new life. So I've debated for a while what I want to do with him, and I just couldn't see like a farmhouse feel or like the traditional blue or pink or like whatever going back on this horse. And that's when I decided I want him to be magical. And so I decided to paint a galaxy on him. To do this, I'm just going to clean him up really well and tape off his tail. That way I don't get anything on there. I had considered dyeing it, but then changed my mind. So I just taped it off and protected it until I could fully decide what my vision is for the horse with the tail included. So after I got it cleaned up, I just wanted to paint him all black. So I did 2 coats and I used my heat gun to speed up that process because I am very impatient. And then once that was dry, I was ready to add some stars. I'm just using acrylic paints here, nothing special. For the stars, if you don't know, to make stars or snow, you can just put a little bit of white down on your palette, dip your brush in water, and kind of like with it sopping wet, dab it into that water so you have like a white watery mixture. Get a little bit of the excess off, but then you want to use your brush in like an old toothbrush or like something with a little stiffer bristle. I can't talk tonight. And that will allow you to kind of just run your thumb across the top, just like fling it and like flick it onto whatever project you're doing. Now just remember, if you're doing stars, you want them in the background of your picture. If you're doing snow, you want it in the front. For this particular project, because I'm doing a galaxy, I'm doing both. So I went ahead and I tried to keep the rocker part of the horse nice and black. I didn't really want the stars to go down on there. So I just covered it with a piece of paper and I just flicked the white watery paint all over to give me some stars. Once that had dried, I was ready to paint my galaxy. Now I'm going to be using like a deep blue, a light blue, a deep purple, a light purple, and just a little bit of pink to kind of make my galaxy. I'm going to let you guys kind of watch if you would like to see how I painted this, but I did it by kind of watering down my color just slightly, dabbing it on in the areas I wanted to, and then using a little circle sponge and dab it very lightly to kind of give it not a full see-through look, but kind of that transparent type of look as if you were looking into a galaxy. And I just layered my colors where I thought they looked good, trying to make it a little brighter in the middle. So I am going to let you guys, you know, just watch that if you want to see how I did it, nice and relaxing, and then I will catch you on the other side. now that this has dried, I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. I need to add some more stars over top. So I went ahead and flicked some more stars over top and let that dry. And now it's time to add the pizzazz. So I took this outside and sprayed it with the Mod Podge, and it is super pretty. It's nice. So this is a green gold shift, and the best thing about this is that it's actually a sealer. So it is made to seal your project and be for outdoor use. So all of the things in one. It's a glitter, it's a sealant, it's outdoor, made for the outdoors. So it's all of those great things into one. So I thought that was really awesome. I sprayed my rocking horse with it, but I also wanted to kind of see how it would work on a lighter color. So I had this wood round that I had painted up, and I didn't quite like how it looked for the project that I was doing, but I figured that'd be the perfect piece for me to go ahead and try it with a light color background too. That way I can show you guys what it looks like on both. And keep in mind, I only did 2 to 3 very light coats on each piece, and you can already see how shimmery and sparkly it is. So if you're wanting a very heavy, glittery, smooth background, this would be amazing. I mean, just 2 to 3 coats and it's worked really, really well. So that is all we're doing for this project. I'm going to remove the tape from the tail and make sure it's nice and dry, and then I can show you guys. So I actually have it here in front of me. This is my horsey. My ring light's kind of bright. It's kind of hard to see the actual glitter on the camera, but I was very happy with how it turned out. I'm really happy with how my galaxy looks. I think it's super cute. I'll show you guys a few pictures and videos of it up close. Maybe if I turn my light down for you. It won't be so reflective. I don't know if we'll be able to pick up the glitter, but it's super shimmery and super shiny. I love it. See that like greenish goldish tint to it. And then also here's the lighter piece, just the wood round that I had painted. I'm gonna put a saying or something on this. It's super, super cute, but again, I don't know how well that's showing up for you guys. I think you can kind of see the speckles in this one. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys some contrast of the darker piece and the lighter piece. I'm just gonna turn this back up. Hello. But yeah, that's the project for today. Super simple. I love finding things at the thrift store and flipping them and kind of giving them, you know, a chance at a second life. Like this little guy, how cute is he? He needs a home. So don't forget about your local thrift stores, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and it also really lets me know that I'm doing the content that you like to see. If you're new here, please consider subscribing on our crafting journey. We do all kinds of stuff on this page. We are, whatever triggers our fancy, we are there. I love learning new skills and doing new challenges and like things that really take me out of my comfort zone. So I'm very happy to take any suggestions on if you would like to see something specific. If you are returning, of course, thank you so much. I love you very much. I wouldn't be this far without you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys in for a closer look, and I will see you next time.